Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and in this video I want to talk to you about my first impressions of the Folding Firebox. So I've had my eye on this little product for quite a long time now. I've been toying with the idea of buying a new firebox. I have had the little sort of slot together ones that you can get them all over Amazon and all the rest of it for sort of £20–30. I've heard good reports, I've heard not so good reports. I've been thinking for a while of investing in one of the more expensive fireboxes simply because they've been well designed and been well engineered and they're built to last. And so I was looking between the Bushbox XL and the Folding Firebox, and I decided to do this one. So let's get it out, let's have a look at what we get inside and maybe even have a try of it. Now, I bought this firebox from the Bushcraft Store here in the UK. If you just buy it in its basic form, you just get it delivered to you in this little drawstring bag. I paid about another £10 and got this nice Trangia bag, the Velcro there, and it just stores away quite nicely. Cost me $69.99. So open it up, as mentioned, we've got some instructions in the front there. Those instructions are also available online. And there we are. The first thing I notice is the weight. It is heavier than I thought it would be, but with that weight comes some real reassurance that it's been well designed. Immediately it just feels really solid. Kind of looking at the hinges and the quality of the metal that's been used in comparison to the cheaper kind of fireboxes that you might get on Amazon, AliExpress, that kind of thing. There is a clear difference straight away. The front of it is held together by these two little metal sticks, which are known as fire sticks, and these play quite an important part in the construction of the firebox and what you can do with the firebox. On the outside here we've got the ashtray to collect the ash as you use it. When I first used this I was quite unsure how to get it off, and I didn't want to actually break the firebox itself, but it seems that the easiest way to do it, just open it up like this and it clicks off. So I've got the ashtray and we've got the firebox itself. And the thing I like about this, and this is what everyone says, is that literally as soon as you open it up, in seconds it's ready to go. So there's no fiddly kind of slotting warped metal together. Having said that, I've not used it yet, so it is brand new, but it does just come together really, really nicely. So I'll just show you again. Just open it up, and immediately you can see it's ready to go. Okay, so we're going for a bit of a Swedish torch kind of setup here. A friend of mine, Alan, has kindly given me a few appropriately cut logs just to pop in there, and pretty new to sort of setting fires up in this way, but my understanding is it's sort of a top-down affair, so kind of putting the lighter stuff there at the top, and then it should all catch light. And my understanding is that it actually should burn more efficiently in this way, with those kind of logs, split logs, one in each corner. So we'll light it up and we'll see how we go. Alan, the storm matches in the end. I think about 3 years. absolutely delicious. And I actually have another one that I'm going to put on in just a second. Initial impressions of the Folding Firebox. It's a good bit of kit. Where I am, it's really breezy today, as you could probably tell from the footage, and it was causing the wood to burn really, really quickly. So ordinarily, I probably wouldn't have that kind of amount of wind sort of blowing in, so hopefully the fire would last a little bit longer. I understand if you feed the sticks in from both feeding points on the sides, it creates a bit of a turbulence and enables you to get a kind of hotter flame. And there are things that you can do with the ashtray as well. Haven't tried that out yet, but there's a way that you can kind of invert it and create a kind of wind dampener, so you can kind of control the amount of air coming up from the bottom as well. So there's lots still to play around with it. These are just my initial impressions. It's not a review. I hope that has been helpful, guys. Let me know if you've got this firebox too. Get in the comments. Let me know your experiences of it, or if you can offer me any tips or advice. It'd be greatly appreciated as always. Always good to learn from you. So thanks very much, guys. If you've liked this video, please can I encourage you to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please can I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell and you get all the notifications of any future uploads. So thanks very much. Take care. And I'll see you soon.